but check out what happened to me. Just woke up. It's pretty cold at the moment, which is why I've got the beanie on, making sure I've got all the things I need, like my tequila for tequila body shots. This usually takes up an hour or so in the morning, just making sure I've got all the stuff I need for tonight's shows all ready to go. So once I've got my bag ready, I'll make sure I do all my emails in the morning as well. Any possible last minute bookings that might come through, I always make sure I jump online in the morning on the weekends, make sure there's no last minute requests that I could possibly do for tonight. Alright, so I've got to head down to the supermarket now because I just realised I've got to buy some fresh strawberries for my strawberries and cream show tonight. So I got my fresh strawberries, but I also got something else that's really important that all male strippers should have when they're doing their jobs on the weekend, and that's mints, because there's nothing worse than a stinky ass breath. Just walking the dogs now, doing it now because I won't be home till about 10 o'clock tonight, so. Alright, and the night begins. I've only got 3 jobs on tonight. Still excited for them. It's a bit quiet at the moment because it's winter, but you know what, got to kill it every time. So let's do this. Okay, just parked up and heading towards the hotel for the first booking. It's a 30th birthday, so it should be a good one. Just about to head into Janae's birthday party. Alright, we are ready to roll. So, just finished my show. It was pretty good. The birthday girl was really shy, so I just ended up doing it with other girls around. But check out what happened to me. That is fucking brutal. This is what happens. Alright, I'm a bit behind on my schedule now, but I'm going to try and rush to this next booking. It's at an Airbnb, so try and get there in time. Alright, here at my second booking, we're in the bedroom here, and oh bless them, they were a bit concerned about my stomach when I told them that there was some scratches there when I arrived, but should be a good show. We'll see how I go.
I was the one that licked you. Did you feel that?
Girls, did you enjoy the show tonight?
Very great.
Had a good time. Hey!
As a professional conservative woman, I was really concerned about tonight, but I feel like my mind has been blown. And thank you for, I guess, a good time.
No worries. That's amazing. That's incredible. Alright, just leaving the booking now. That was pretty good.
The girls had a good time, and I'm off to the last booking now, which is at a residence, someone's home. So this one should be good. Probably a lot of room to perform in, so I'm looking forward to it. Got to take your mints after your booking. Minty. Alright, here at the last booking, sitting in the car here, and got here a little bit early, so I'm just going to chill for a little bit, maybe call her in a few minutes, see if she wants to start the show early. Okay, girls let me start early, which is good, so I'm just here in their bathroom and about to head out.
Every day I'm shuffling. Stick around and I just don't have protection. Maybe your selection show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me it's a shame, don't even know what you want. You're bad and it shows. When you're
Alright, that booking is done and dusted. It went well, it went real well, and you know, I think they really enjoyed the show, which is the main thing. So guys, did you enjoy the show, yeah? Yes! Well, just done the last show now. I'd say that was a pretty good success. They had a really good time. Good night. It's time to pack up now and head home. This is the best part of the night, when I get to see the doggies. Doggies! Come here, doggies! Hello! Oh, hello! Yes! Oh, hello! And that's the night. I'm knackered now. Time to eat some dinner. I'm out.